Children, we are in page number 69 and 70 of your English textbook. Children, come on, let's continue discussing about our tree. Children, we are in page number 69 of your English textbook. Okay, so come on, let us complete one by one of these exercises. The first exercise is all about reading is fun. Children, here few sets of questions are there and we are going to discuss the answers of these questions. Okay, shall we start now? Come on. The first question is, where does the little bird see the fruit? Where does the little bird see the fruit? The little bird saw the fruit on a tree. Okay, I repeat the answer. The little bird saw the fruit on a tree. The next question is, children, what does she do? Children, listen carefully here. She means bird, that bird which we are talking about. Okay, so what does she do? She ate the fruit. In other words, the bird ate the fruits. Okay. The next question is, what happens when she eats the berry? Children, tell me, in that poem we have already discussed what happened when she was flying up in the sky, she dropped that berry. Okay, so the answer would be she. That means the bird dropped the berry on the ground. Okay, children, come on, let's talk about birds and trees. Shall we start now? Okay. Where do birds live? Children, this is very simple question, isn't it? Where do the birds live? Birds live in the nest on a tree. Okay. Then, have you seen any birds near your house? Yes, exactly. Many of you might have seen so many birds near to your home which took trees as their shelter. You can see many birds live on a trees. Okay. Do you know their names in English or in your own language? Yes, we already know names of many birds in English as well as in your own language. Let me tell you names of few birds in my language as well as in English. In my language, we call parrot as kili and peacock as mile. Children, you can also try to call out those names of birds in your language. Okay? It is very funny, isn't it? Okay. Next, let's share. Children, in this picture, you can see lots of things. Okay, and we have to circle. If it is, you can find it on a tree. Come on, let's do it. Have you ever seen a beehive in a tree? Perhaps we might have seen beehives on a tree. So circle here. The next one is clothes. Children, clothes we could not find it on a tree. Okay, we can see leaves, we can see ants, we can see birds and other things, but clothes like this we could not see on a tree, so don't do anything. Kite, perhaps many times in Uttarayan what happens, kites used to stuck up in between the trees, right? So we might have seen kites stuck up on a tree, so circle here. Of course, birds. Okay, crows, everything, all type of birds we can see on a tree. So circle this also. And moving on to the next one, pencils. Pencils we could not find on a tree, so don't do anything. Similarly, book. Book we could not find on a tree, so don't do anything. Ants, of course, many ants might crawl on a tree, so circle ant also. Moving on to the leaves. Of course, leaves also, it's a very important part of a tree, so circle leaves also. Children, we are in page number 70 of your English textbook. Children, the first activity is very simple. You can see lots of fruits in this cart. Okay, he is a fruit seller and he sells lots and lots of fruits. You just have to tell the name of those fruits. Okay, tell me which fruit is this? This is bananas. The next one is, yes, pineapples. The next one is, yes, juicy oranges. Next one is bunch of grapes. This next one is healthy apples. And the last one is sweetie mangoes. Yes, it seems to be very tasty, right? Okay. I like apples the most. This is the sentence given here. You can replace this apples with any other fruit which you like the most. I can say like I like mangoes the most. Children, you can replace apple with any other fruit which is given here or which you like the most. Any fruit you like the most. Can you do that? Fine. Children, moving on to the next exercise. Here you can see a boy doing so many activities. So let us discuss what he does. How does a seed grow? Look at the pictures below and number them in the correct order. Okay, so you can see this boy dig the earth in the first picture. Second picture, I plant the seed. That is, this boy said that he plants the seed inside the ground. The next one is I water the plant. Means on daily basis he gives water to the plant. And the last one is the plant grows. Now this small seed has become a big plant. So what we have to do is we have to give number in the given box. First what he should do, second what he should do, third and fourth, that number sequence we have to give. Can we start now? Yes. First of all, we should have to dig the ground. So this is 1. Right? The second one is we have to drop the seeds. So this is number 2. Right? The third one is we should give water to the plant daily. So this should be 3. And after that, the plant has become a big one and after few years that will become a big tree. So this would be the 4th one. Okay. So the first step is we should dig the ground. The second step is we should have to drop few seeds. The third step is we should give water to the small plant. After that small plant has grown up as a big plant. Right?